Hi guys, I'm here with a new video and a new idea of a project which is a real-time chat application with PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. So before start introducing the application, I want to tell you that you can find the download link of the full application in the description down below, so check it out. Let's start now by describing the software environment. Basically, all we need is a local server such as XAMPP or WAMP for Windows and MAMP for Mac. We are ready to go. So to open the welcome page of the application, we should open our Apache server here and our MySQL database. So the application folder should be under the htdocs if you are using XAMPP, or under 3W if you are using WAMP as a local server. Then we should open our browser and tap localhost. So here's the welcome page of our application. So we should create a new account in the beginning. So first name Josh, surname White, email josh.com, password okay, college IC, phone number, this is a random phone number so it's not mine. Okay, oops, password too weak, use numbers or letters. Okay, gonna repeat the registration. White, email josh@gmail.com, password repeat the password. Okay, so we are good to go. Josh gmail.com, sign in. So here's the home page of our JAWS system. So this is the users online, and this is the chat box. So here's our three group, so I can access to the first group and send a message. So hello, and the message was sent by Josh. This is the time and the date. Exit, enter this group and say hello to. Hello, how are exit. You can send a new message here. Hello. The message was sent. So like I said, here's the online users. The users connected to the web in this second. So like I said, it's a real-time application. We doesn't need to refresh the page to see the difference. So here's the functionalities of the application, the functionalities of the application. So the creation, first of all, the creation of a group, change group, delete group, clickable, post in a group, view full image like this, click user image, change profile pic from here, and log out as well. So view active users, etc. So that's basically our chat system, the workflow, the exact workflow. So that's it. So that's all you need to know. I hope you like it. If so, like I said in the beginning, you can find everything in the description, the source code, etc. Yeah, if you have any suggestions, comment down below or contact me directly through my Facebook page, link in the description. So see you next time.